Hey guys, doing a video today. Christmas present was these PROGRIP soft touch, like a foam grip that I want to run instead of these quite hard rubber ones that come on the CF MOTO. So yeah, I'll rip these off, have a bit of a look at how they go. I haven't really looked into it yet. Never put a foam grip on before, always sort of run probably rental slim grips. But I thought I'll try these. These get a pretty good review on adventure bikes. So yeah, we'll rip them out and have a crack. Okay, I guess the first thing, 6mm Allen key. I don't know if I'll take this whole thing off. I might just undo it here and see what we get. If it's in the road, I'll undo it there and remove the whole thing, but I don't know if we'll need to. So maybe I do need to. Yeah, we'll remove this one. Okay, this one's a 5mm Allen key, the other one's a 6, so I'll undo that. Like so, there, and pull that out like that. Okay, righto. Okay, so there's like a rubber, like a plastic sleeve under this, so, oh yeah. Don't know if this is glued on or not. So we'll do the first method. Okay, first method is jamming something up under there. Maybe some inox. Getting it right up in there. I don't know if this is glued or not. And it's only pretty good. I'm kind of worried, because usually the left hand side's a lot better than the throttle side. Alright, now take this bugger off and see what happens. See what we can do. Hopefully it's not a pain in the butt to put back on, but is what it is. So that's screwed all the way through the bar, is it? Interesting. Interesting. So does that need to go back on? Like, if I grab the left version of this, swap that inox off. Like you probably don't. What to do? It's not even gripped, but it's on pretty well. So I've ended up cutting this bastard. It's got all these little notches, stuff on it, so that's the best tool ever for golf grips. It just slices this rubber like nothing. Oh, but not home yet. It's got some mad glue there. It's going to take some work. It's going to take some work. Especially with all this stuff. Like, Okay. Alright. Throttle side went easier. Just not sure if I need it on that side. I don't think I do. Oh well. Put these bastards back on. Let's see how we go. So yeah, see on the forums and that, most people go on heated grips. I've never had heated grips. I'm sure they're wonderful in winter, highway riding or whatnot, but for me, off-roading, mostly off-roading or on the dirt, not really interested in heated grips. Grip tape on this bad boy to help keep it on there. Good old more golf shit. Let's cut that off. Forgot. So that's it. I feel really good. Happy with that. All right, cheers guys.